Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Porsche Cayenne, I think 2006 model. What happened? MOT failed. Now at the moment I'll just dump start this morning. A lot of light came up. I think need to reset or sometime we need to take to the road test because battery fully dead because of the weather. Right. Anyway, it's not a problem. But customer came to something not right with seat. When I operate this one, it's working. Backward working. This switch work and this one going up. Yeah, this side also working. See, it's moving. Yeah, but however, this switch not working, not going front or backward. That's the MOT failure problem. So what we're going to do, we don't have a much access underneath, all cover with the CD changer. Then what we're going to do, we need to remove the seat. Yeah, it's holding with 4 screws. I think one inside here and one inside there. Yeah, little bit need to struggle because at the moment we can't take this seat forward and backward because we need to take a backward to reach to this bottom nut, but at the moment we can't do backward and forward. Need to struggle bit, but however, hopefully we can manage. Yeah, after remove the seat, I'll come back to you. Right, we managed to took it out the driver seat. Yeah, visually I can't see any damages for the wiring loom. Next step, I'm going to remove. I feeling this motor for the front and the backward seat, but however, I'll already remove the electrical connector here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give additional power line here. This is the, I think, brown one for the plus. No, there is actually 3 lines: brown and black and red and brown and red. Anyway, I'm going to try power up this section and have a quick look. Is this motor working? If it work, we need to digging more. If it not work, job going to bit easy. We'll see. Right, we found the this is the first, second, third wire. You can see this one black and brown, and the other one brown and red. You can see here, inside here, black and red one and brown and what's the other color? Brown and red. Yeah. Right. So we got the third wire. This is the one we are looking at the moment. Third. This side. Yeah. I am going to give negative to this line and have a look. Any right now I'm going to check any connectivity. Yeah, connectivity there. That's been wire line working. Now I'm going to power up and have a look. Yeah, see it work. When I power up, it's going up, and I'm going to power up for the other side. Yeah, you can see it's going down. Right. Okay, at the moment I don't have any doubt for the motor. I don't have any doubt for the underneath wiring. I have a only doubt this unit, right? I'm going to plug in, and we know now exactly the third one. Yeah, third pin. I already removed the cover and have a look, but I can see this one has a tiny pin. This one missing the pin. This one has, but I feeling this switch has a tension. So when I check the backside wiring, this is the controlling line. I can see the green, its power come, but however when I put the here, the red one, you can see slightly light up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give the power line here. I'm going to give the power line here now. Now you can see the right. I'm going to give the power line now. Now you can see it moving. Basically what happened, this wire behind, something not right with the main line, this white and red line, this line. I need to again remove the seat. Now before we remove from the bottom, because we can't move the seat, because the two nuts in behind, you can see one here and the one for the other side. You can see the black one. I'm going to move forward first again. Right, once I move, I can read to the back this one and other side. Then after that again I'll take back the seat. There is a front another two, this side and the other side. Then we remove the seat, and again we are going to check this wire, red and white, this wire, what happened inside. I feel in somewhere this one broken, that's why it's not work. Okay then, right, we check the wire from here, it's all good. Then after that it's going inside here and here. Finally we found inside there, I don't know, you can see that thingy inside. We already, I mean, here we found out something broken pinch wire here. Then we amend that one. Now we are going to reinstall everything, and I'll show you what's going on. Right, at the moment all done. Now you can see, because still not I fix this cover, I'll fix in a minute, but now see the upside down working, backward. This is the problem before, it's work. See it going up and down, see, all working. This one for the headrest, see, all working. Now what we have to do, we have to install this cover, because we remove it, then after that we need to install this cover here, then job done. Now if you have a like this problem, you know, go step by step, take your own time, dig in the problem, start from the one end, go to the other end, you will end it like this problem. Now he can go to his MOT. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you need to join with our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, all link below, click that link and join with us. See you soon.